guys, so umpisahan na natin ang Jungle River Cruise Adventure dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland.
Tarzan's Treehouse.
Now we are at the longest river in the world, about 4,000 kilometers. But don't worry, we have a shortcut. We can go back very soon. Now we are at the entrance already. We can see the elephant mother and her baby. She is teaching a baby how to use his tongue. Brother. Yeah. You see many people don't worry. Yeah, it's very cold. Don't worry, that's other one and from one. Yes, the elephant sounds special and unique insect. You see the big spider? Yeah, bigger than my head. They have long legs and they can jump over 20 feet. Overhead is the ancient temple of the elephant god, and the king cobra and his guardian. Yeah, you see, there's another one here. They are the most forced snake in the world. They live in an ancient temple. They like children only. Don't worry. Okay, now we arrive my friend's home, Professor Potter and Jane campsite. But they go visit Titan now, so don't worry. Don't shoot us, please. And then welcome to Africa. What do you see? Zebra? Yes, giraffe. Yes. Elephant. Yeah, it's not a normal elephant. It's an African elephant. Yeah, they are the second biggest animal in the jungle. There's another one. And his mother is old. They jump out to the water when they saw the hippo. They're too scared. Now chased by the rhinos. We can't save them. We have no seats for them. Now when we see skull and skeletons here, that means we are entering